everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This is a design team project for ARTYMaze and it's using her new kit called Something Shabby. I've decided to do a little mini one with this because I wanted to use this fabric and I only had a little bit left. Oh, it's such a beautiful journal. You get it in, she's done it, it's hints of blue, very obviously shabby, and you also get like the I'll show you. You get it in two tones. You get the full size and the bluey type colour, and I accidentally printed this out as well, and obviously I shrunk it all down to about 70% to make this little journal, and I don't know what was going on with my printer, so I'm going to make another one because obviously that I stopped it when I realised that I was printing more than I needed for this journal. And yeah, so that's the other colour you get it in, and you'll see the colour. Andrea has actually got a flip through, well, a show and tell basically of the journal and all the pages. If you go over to her channel, you will see the whole kit. Anyway, let's talk about this. So it's a fabric cover, it's a soft cover. I've just used a Tim Holtz die cut label, which I've just literally glued on. I wasn't sure, I just didn't want to cover up all the lovely fabric. So that is the fabric. It's all been stitched. There is about 5 or 6 layers in here. We've got coffee dyed on the inside, there's cardstock on the outside, and sandwiched in between that is some thick book pages. So the journal measures 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 with a 1 1/4 inch spine, 2 signatures, 88 pages of front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So eyelets and organza ribbon, and let's see if I can do this without making a big knot. So it's such a beautiful day here. I had a terrible day yesterday with allergies, and I woke up today feeling fine. But yeah, I want to enjoy the nice weather that we're having, because goodness knows how long it's going to last. Right, so anyway, this is one of the pages. Love the shutters on here, the balcony, the shutters, the roses. You can see the hints of blue in this. It is so lovely. Here I've made a book page of pockets, and this is actually from the old design shop. I'm just making sure I'm in frame here. Yeah, and I sewed that onto the book pages, double pages of book pages, and then we've got the little pocket here using some of the pages from the kit, and we have a tag from the kit. And this is, I've also used Victorian Beauties, I think it's called. Still got it up. Yeah, Victorian Beauties, which is all these little like journal cards with little girls on it, and I thought that was really lovely. So I made little tags with that, and a lot of it has been stitched. This is a little I think I assume it's a little tag to go in a pocket, but I've used it completely different in the journal. I'll show you the pockets when we get there. Some of this lovely lacy trim. Here I've just, again, using some of the little journal cards from the kit and the little full stamps, just made a little tag, and this is from the old design shop as well. Got some raggedy edges there, and that's just paper clipped on. And then here I made a little tag pocket, and I had actually got some cardstock that was coffee dyed. It was gessoed, and it had some sprays on it, so the sprays weren't that bright, so I added a little bit more, done some stamping, and made a little corner tuck here with some of the paper from the kit. This is one of the little elements from the kit, and it's got coffee dyed paper on the back. And then inside there I've just got one of these little Victorian Beauties. She's in there. And then this is just a little this is from the old design shop, I think it's either that or the Graphics Fairy, one of the two. So that goes there. I mean, you could glue that in as a permanent pocket if you wanted to, and then if you glued that side and down the bottom, and then you've got another tuck. Another lovely page from the kit. Here we've got a little lacy pocket and another little tag using some of these Victorian beauties. Postcard from the kit. Excuse me. And these are from the kit as well. They've just been backed onto coffee dyed paper. Put some crocheted trim on here, some music paper, done some edge punching. There's lots of journal room. Another page from the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? Little corner tuck. Here we have a stamped tag, another Victorian beauty tag, and the backgrounds on these are one of the pages from the kit, which is like a collage page which you can use for many things. Little double journal card, some more coffee dyed paper. I actually done some coffee dyeing in the oven because I was in the kitchen a lot yesterday, so I done some of that. Little envelope just with some coffee dyed paper. Beautiful envelope, and that's just going on, well, that's that page and that goes on there. One of the pockets from the kit, another stamped tag. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Another little Victorian beauties tag, postcard from the kit with the little shutters and the balcony. And these are little like square, I don't know what you'd call them, journal cards or plates or whatever. You could actually, you know, put them on like that and create another pocket, but I've just popped it in there. Some more edge punching, little flip here, could make that into a pocket. These are the little pockets that I thought they might fit in. I printed that out twice in 2 different sizes. The other one's in the other signature. Again, one of these from the kit. And this, you just cut all this up and then you can just layer it all on yourself. Or you can do as you please with it. Another tag from the kit. Another double journal card. It's all been coffee dyed as well. Some more of this lovely trim. Here I've just done a little side tuck, used the book page to do that. This is a little envelope that's probably glued in. No? Let's see. Yeah, possibly. No, it's not. There we go. Just a little bit snug. So lovely. And that goes in there. And this is, and I meant to use a nail file to kind of rub that down a little bit. It's an embossed piece of cardstock that I had, which I coffee dyed, gessoed, done some sprays on, and backed it onto an index card, sewed around and done some napkin decoupage on there. So that goes in there. Maybe. Yep, that does go in there. It came from there, so it should go back in. Center, no, it's not the center, it's the end of the first signature. Second signature, again, one of the pages from the kit. Pocket there with that lovely shabby shutters and the balcony. I love that. I could just stand there, sitting there, having a coffee, enjoying the sun. Another tag. I can dream, can't I? Again, them lovely shabby shutters and the balcony. One of them little journal cards, postcard from the kit. Another pocket. Again, you just do all your own layering with this. And there's some sparkle to the paper because I put some shimmer in my coffee water. Tag from the kit, little double journal card. I eventually got coffee yesterday for coffee dine, and I bought myself some coffee to drink, but I haven't had any yet. Some lacy trim, music paper, edge punching. This is the old design shop. And that just paper clips on. Little tag there, just using one of the journal cards from the kit and one of the little full stamps. Like I said, I printed the pages at 70%, and most of the other things were either 70% or 75%, just depending on what it was. So I made another one of these, and if you notice there, one of the corner of that just kind of flipped back when I was stitching around. So that's very unique. Rather than saying it was a mistake, it's just unique. So I've done some stamping on there, and the sprays that I used on that was actually a blackberry and a lagoon, and it didn't come out anything like how strong they were when I've used them before. Another little Victorian beauty in there. Another page from the kit, another little tuck here. I was going to cover them over, and then I thought, no, look at all that lovely. I mean, what is the point of putting all that on and then covering it all up? Pointless. Another little tag inside the envelope. So there's two of them envelopes. What I've started doing is, as well, with the envelopes and things, I normally print things out at 100 or 120 GSM paper. Don't know what that is in pounds. So sometimes when I've coffee dyed them, I put some gesso on, and it really makes it sturdy. Or you could use some white acrylic paint. This is the old design shop or the graphics fairy, one of the two. Oh, and I've done another one of those with the decoupage rose on there, all embossed. That's something fun and quick and easy to do. Another pocket here. I've used one of these square elements with a little bit of vintage music paper in the background there. Another tag. Another Victorian beauty tag. I just thought them little girls went really well with this as well. And then one of these. Some of these, they're obviously all the same size, but I did shrink them down. Some of them I trimmed down a little bit more so that they would sit like differently in the pockets, if that makes sense. Another envelope, just got some coffee dyed paper in there. That's, you get one of the pages as a full page with that design. I didn't actually use it, but it's so pretty. And that's the whole envelope. That way we'll put it, maybe. More edge punching, some music paper, another little flip there. And then we have another book page pocket. That's another page from the old design shop, and this is from one of the pages from the kit. Another tag. Another Victorian beauty, isn't she a cutie? And another postcard from the kit. Some more of that lovely trim. Another little corner tuck. That's the other one of those tags, the larger one. And obviously they are much bigger than that, but because I shrunk it all down. Little tag there, which I did actually mean to put a tab on that, so I'll do that now. For a forget. Punched out loads of these, just on like coffee cardstock. Actually, I think I punched out about 30 of them, and I've used most of them. There we go. So that was another tag that I had to chop a little bit off because I didn't want it the same size as that that tag there. And then another double journal card with them shabby shutters. And that is the back. So that is the journal. Pop that straight in your bag, you could. Let's pop them down a little bit. Okay, so like I said, this was a design team project for ARTYMaze. ARTYMaze is linked below, but I will link this kit below as well. And like I said, this will be for sale in my shop. I do have some other journals in my shop if you're interested. Pop along and have a look. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.